Morning guys, today in our tutorial we will like to do chi-square test in Excel. Actually chi-square test used as we have mentioned in our theoretical part, it will check us the relationship dependency between, we are testing the dependency between categorical variables, two categorical variables. For example, today we would like to discuss is there any kind of dependency between apartment's finishing level to balcony. It means that hypothesis 0, our hypothesis 0 will be apartment furnishing level is independent on existing balcony. Yeah, it means that my hypothesis 0 says it's independent. Two categories are totally independent, and we have alternative hypothesis, which means alternative hypothesis. It is hypothesis 1. It is vice versa. Just we can copy paste from here. Apartment's finishing level is dependent. It means there exists kind of dependency relationship. If apartment has the balcony, it will most probably, if apartment is fully finished or semi-finished, it will influence on their existing balcony, how I can say. Yeah, very kind of very important test. In order to find values, we are first finding their observed cases. For example, I would like to check how many apartment is fully finished and which is also has balcony. Yeah, here guys, for counting we are not using sum. Yeah, sum is just sums up all the numbers, but we are using count functions. Yeah, as I have mentioned here, countifs, because we are having two functions in this I range existing from I1, I2 to I102. Category is fully, and the second one is G, also same range, G2 to G101. But it means matching cases will be counted. Okay, let's come to next one. Function is countifs, and the guys, it's there in Excel. There is one life hack is there. We can press here in order to not avoid confusion. It's very easy. For example, criteria 1, I would like to check for example fully. Criteria 1 is, it will not change, is I2 till I101. In my case it's like that, but in your case it may change. Criteria 1 is, guys, keep in mind we should put comma, semi-comma, and after that it is fully. Also guys, you should keep in mind, for example, if some of the cases has been written with uppercase, you should convert them, otherwise it will not count. Okay, it's very essential. Fully, and the second one is G to G101 cases. Guys, look, I'm putting uppercase. In lowercase it may not count, and I also have converted all no to uppercases. You also have to do the same order. Okay, it means only two cases are happening like that. Now turn comes to the semi and the non. Semi and the non. Okay, semi. You know what we can do in general? The life hack also I'm going to show. Just copy this formula and copy this formula. If you pass, it will be shown by default 17, but we would like to change. Yeah, here in our case it's not fully, it is semi. 50 cases, and here also it is semi, and what? It's no, yes? No. Okay. Here we have none, yes? None. And yes. Surprisingly, none and none yes and the full yes are same. No, I made mistake. None is lowercase. Yeah, maybe not case sensitive. Okay, let me check last one. None and no, one. Okay, how to check either we got full correct result. Now I would like to find some, oh my god, some of these guys, and yeah, it means total I have here it's 100. Yeah, okay, let's check some. Yeah, 63, 18, 109. Okay, here some. Yeah, exactly same. It means my calculations were correct. Okay, it means it stays in observed. Observed we have seen from the table, but okay, we should find now expected. What's expected? Expected means that, for example, if, for example, 84 apartment has balcony, but only 19 of them total, actually there should be ratio should be saved. Yeah, suppose from 19, for example, there should be kind of x fully yes. Yeah, fully yes should be there out of 84, but total it was, look here, it was 19 case, oh sorry, 19 cases out of 100. It means we know, yeah, in order to find x, it's very simple. X will be equal, yeah, proportion, yeah, x will be equal 19 multiplied by 84 divided by 100. Yeah, 15.96. Yeah, it is 16. Yeah, but in order to, because we are going to make a lot of calculation, that's why we need it. 15.96, 19, 84, 84. Okay, it should be, guys, here for my cases I should write is equal. It's like that, guys. All the ways it's same, just two subtotals multiplied and divided by total. Yeah, very simple. Just, guys, you should keep in mind row wise and column wise. Yeah, for example, here I'm having total yes multiply by total fully divided by total case. Yeah. Now let me find fully balcony, existing balcony and the semi-finished. It's the same also. All balcony multiplied by all semi divided by total. Okay, the same. Now let's come to this third one. It is also, it will be equal total yes multiply total none divided by total. Now let's come to no. No case also same equal, but we should look no. Yeah, total no. Total no multiplied by total fully and then divided by general total 100. Yeah. Now total now we are going to calculate no and the same. Yes, no total no is the same 16 multiplied by total semi divided by 100. Okay, now none cases total total no multiplied by total none divided by 1 to total general total. Yeah, 2.86. It should be 3. It should be 3. Actually, by looking, according to me, it seems they are independent. Because look, guys, here it's 63. It happened 13. Yeah, out of 63. But look this ratio. They are really kind of, the ratio is not saved accordingly when it comes to no cases. Yes, maybe for yes cases there is relatively relationship. Yes, 17, 17, 19, 18, 15. Yeah, 3 times, at least 3 times plays role. But here 13 times, only 3 times different. 7 times, only 3 times different. And I don't think they are, how I can say, really, I'm saying, let's check, but we can even visually we can assume. Okay, in order to checking, yeah, these totals further we don't need. Okay, let's check that how in order to test our how we calculated correctly or not. Just some. Yeah, it's 100. Yeah, it's the same. And in this part also there will not be big trouble. Okay, now we have come to main part, how to calculate this chi-square value. Chi-square value. Chi-square value, for our case it is observed cases. Let me feel. It is balcony BF, balcony fully, balcony semi, balcony none, and I will write N no balcony F, no balcony S semi, no balcony none. Yeah, you should have paraphrase like in order to use of work. Okay, let's, because as we have mentioned here as a yes no. Okay, YF YS YN. No difference depending on your choice, just you should not get confused. 17 50. This part I will explain, guys, no problem. And yes, and the non-balcony it is 17 2 13 1. Yeah, okay. Expected 15.96, 52.92, 15.12, 3.04, 10.08, 2.88. Yeah, it's same, correct. Okay, now difference, as I have mentioned, it is this difference between these values, because we know the formula. Yes, according to our formula it is observed minus expected in square. Observed minus expected, observed is given with U3 and the expected is V3. Yeah? My formula U3 minus V3. Yeah, just there is no any kind of magic, just I can show you again, is equal U3 minus V3. Yeah, same. And just I have, you can just hope it will come in. Okay, now their square, I have find their square. Yes, it's also very simple, is equal to power number, this number, and the power is 2. Yes, I want to find square. Yes, yeah, the same. Square difference, and I have, yeah, square difference we found, square difference, and according to formula x chi-square value is the this summation and divided by the expected value. Yeah? Their sum. Yeah? And I have divided to the expectation. It means expectation, for example, my sum square, different square is already x3, and I should divide by expected value. Yeah, yeah. And accordingly the summation is the sum of all values, and I found the sum is 2.80 no, 2.89, yeah, okay, 2.9, let's suppose. Okay, and how we can make conclusion? It means I should find first x critical, x chi-square, 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 my chi-square will equal 2.89, and my critical value. In order to critical value, we should look at the Möbius table, and as we know, our degree of freedom row is, we have 3 row. Degree of freedom will be, we have how many rows? We have 2 rows, 2 minus 1 divided multiplied by 3 columns, minus 1, and it will be, sorry, I forget to put equal 2, yes, degree of freedom 2, degree of freedom 2, critical value 95, you are looking 5.99, 5.99. Okay, let's come to paint. Our critical value is what? 5.99. Yeah. Yeah, find 5.99, but my value lies where? My value is equal to 2.89. My value is, it is somewhere here, 2.89. It means what I'm doing, as my values lies in this direction, I don't reject the hypothesis 0. Don't reject hypothesis 0. It means my outcome will be what? Apartments and finite independent are existing. It's verified. Yeah, it's true. It means we can conclude like that. Yeah, in the upcoming assignment you will be asked to find the for example, the security to furnished, security to balcony, number of rooms to balcony, and a lot of combinations you will ask it to do. Okay, just follow all these steps, go with this way. Yeah, there exists kind of t-test, no, the automated method, but it's a little bit confusing. That's why this is the traditional method, and I'm asking in tutorials to follow this sequence. Good luck, have a nice weekends.